All right, good afternoon, boys and girls. Do any of you remember what our character was we learned yesterday for the letter C?
Crazy Camel.
Good job, girls. All right. Does everyone remember what the tune of Crazy Camel's song was to? What's the tune? Good job. All right, do you all remember the verse? All right, let's all go over it one time and then we'll go ahead and sing it. Are you all ready? Pull out your sheets. I have it on there. All right, and 1, 2, 3. Are you catching and crunching, crazy camel? Crazy's pigs are saying, poink, poink, poink. Are you surfing and catching, Sadie and Crazy? Both of their pups are saying, skark, skark, skark. Are you surfing, catching, and roping, Sadie, Crazy, and Rosie? All of their bees are saying, scruzz, scruzz, scruzz. Good job. All right, so now we're going to sing it. Remember that the line before the coink, 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 so the craziest pigs are saying, remember we repeat that twice in the song, as well as the one before the skarks and the scruzzes, all right? Okay, so let's start. Are you catching and crunching, crazy camel, crazy camel? Crazy's pigs are saying, crazy's pigs are saying, coink, 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 coink. Are you surfing and catching, Sadie and Crazy, Sadie and Crazy? Both of their pups are saying, both of their pups are saying, skark, skark, skark. Skark, skark, skark. Are you surfing, catching, and roping, Sadie, Crazy, and Rosie? Sadie, Crazy, and Rosie. All their bees are saying, all their bees are saying, scruzz, 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 scruzz. Good job, students. All right. So now that we've reviewed our song, we're going to go ahead and we're going to create a list of words that begin with the letter C on our board up here. So what was our character? What kind of animal was she?
Camel.
Camel.
Crazy camel.
All right. All right, and what else begins with the letter C?
Cat.
Cat.
Cow.
Cow.
Candy.
Candy.
Cookie. Carrot.
Cake.
Cookie.
Castle.
Carrot.
Crayon.
Crayon.
Cream.
Cream.
Computer.
Crazy. Carpet. Couch.
All right, hold on, students.
Cabinet.
Can you spell that for me?
C-A-B-I-N-E-T.
Good job, Quan. Now, do you guys remember the story we read about Crazy? Where was she at? Where was she located? Where did she work at? Do you remember? They had the elephants and the ringleader.
A circus? A circus.
Good job. Do they sell anything sweet at the circus that begins with the letter C?
Cotton
Candy.
candy.
Candy. And cotton candy.
Coca-Cola.
Alright, anybody else think of a word that starts with the letter C?
Clay.
Clay.
Cover.
Cover.
Car. Crayon.
We already have that one, but good job.
Canyon.
Alright, now this is quite the list you guys have given me.
Does captain work?
Captain does work.
Coyote.
Can you spell that one for me?
C-O-Y-O-T.
Good job, Quan. You know some of these high dollar words.
I'm smart.
Okay, so this is quite the list you all have formed for different words that begin with the letter C. So now that what we're going to do is we're going to create a book that's all about the letter C so that you all have a little bit better understanding. So I'm going to pass out papers. Please do not do anything with them until I tell you to.
Am I supposed to get two?
Yes,
Thank you.
you all need 2 sheets.
I lost
Well, there you go. You received them now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so when our books are done, they're going to look a little bit like this. This is my example. You'll put all about C on the cover. You can decorate it any way you'd like to. And on the inside, we're going to have like C is for cat, and you're going to draw a picture, all right? C is for camel, C is for candy, and so on and so forth. Now what I need you all to do is take your 2 sheets of paper. You can do this together and fold them hamburger style
At the same time.
at the same time. All right, now you can separate your sheets of paper. And then with your ruler and your and your pencil or pen, you're going to take one sheet and you're going to measure down 1 inch. So you see this big 1 on the ruler? You're going to make a little line at it. Then move your ruler down here to the bottom. And you're going to make a little line at the 1 again. All right? And then on the other sheet, we're going to do the same thing. So measure down 1 inch and measure up 1 inch. Okay? So if you all could do that for me, please.
On both?
Yep, on both. All right, Quan, while we're waiting on your classmates to keep doing that, will you please give me 5 words that begin with the letter C?
Anything? Cat.
Okay,
Cream.
okay,
Carrot. Coffee.
okay, and one more, please.
Car.
Car. All right, Teresa?
Cow. E. Handle. Crow.
Okay, and one more.
City.
Good job. All right, now since everybody has done that, we're going to go ahead and keep going on with our books. I will get to you two in a little bit. All right, so on one sheet of paper, use the scissors in front of you and cut down the line. Follow me first, watch me before you do anything. Take one sheet of paper. You're going to cut down to the line and then up to the line that you drew. And that's it. Okay?
Both of them?
No, just on that one. All right, and then on the other one, we'll wait for Megan and Teresa. You guys are doing a really good job of sharing scissors. Now on the other one, we're going to cut on the inside, and you just cut a line and connect the two lines. So just cut down the center line. Okay, now what you're going to do is take the
Teacher,
one...
I'm not done.
Okay, we'll wait on Quan. Okay, now take the one that you cut the middle out of in your left hand, and the one that you just snipped the top and the middle out in your right hand, and you're going to stuff 1/2 of that book through that middle line. And then the lines are going to go through the top, and you're going to have a book. Do you need help, Quan?
Yes.
Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this piece, and it'll go through this center section, and then you'll pull it through. And then your slits you made are going to go around that. And then there's your book.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so now if y'all will use the crowns in front of you to decorate and color your book. And you need to put cat and camel on the first 2 pages and draw a picture to go along with it. Now, Megan, will you please give me 5 words that begin with the letter C?
Crown. Candy. Cat. Crayon. Cookie.
All right, and Kinsley? 5 words that begin with the letter C, please.
Coarse. Crafty. Crazy. Clay. And coyote.
Good job. All right, boys and girls. Now I need you all. I know we just started our books, but now it's time for us to go on to PE. So if you all will stop and just leave your books, we'll come back and finish them later. Now thank you so much. Today we reviewed Crazy Camel's song, as well as went over and created a list of all of our C words, and now we're creating our C books. And then after recess, later on today, we'll go ahead and we'll do an enrichment activity online to help you learn a little bit more about the letter C. So we'll all go to PE now.